This is the machine that I would like to introduce you for the daily using bottles such as Unilever and P&G. So there is a mold here. The mold is for setting the bottles one by one. The bottle is put in here, and set one by one to here, and there. So this is the grippers. This is the grippers for pick the bottles from here to here, and then it will say to there, send to that place, send to here, and here is the conveyor for the carton. The conveyor for the carton is under the bottle. You see there is a conveyor from here to here. It's for setting the empty cartons to when the cartons arrive here. This is the positions, and there is a gripper. Here is the grippers for pick up the bottles from here and loading inside the carton. And there have the second positions also for pick up the bottles from there to here. So there is one set of grippers, but the grippers will pick up the bottle from here to the carton and from there to the carton, so the speed will be faster. And another thing is, because for the Unilever companies, normally they will change the shape of the bottle maybe 1 year they will change one time. So if they want to change the bottles, so they just need to change this part and this part. In the past, if they want to change the bottle, because they have different shape of the bottle, the square one, the round one, different. So in the past, it will be very hard to use in one machine. But now we change the design like this. This is the design for setting the bottles, and these parts can be made according to the shape of the products and fix it, setting one by one. And here, the mold of these parts, it also will be the same shape as well as the bottles. Like if it is square, there will be square. If it is load, it will be load. So this is the way we solve the problems for the daily using market.